So we've got food expert Nikole here joining us. Thanks so much for being here.
Good morning. We are going on a road trip today. I'm so excited. So I thought I would document. Also, I have my hair and makeup done. We just got Sage's little dishwasher going, sanitizing her teethers, her Sophie, which she's like obsessed with lately. And I am almost done my cold tea. How cute is this new mug? I'm gonna make a quick smoothie because we gotta go. I made some banana bread last night, so I've been snacking on that this morning, but I actually want to have a green smoothie today because I'm just feeling like I need some greens in my life, you know? Okay, I'm gonna set this down, get all my ingredients together because we gotta go in like 10 minutes and I have to feed Sage, so. Some Brazil nuts. Look at how cute this mix I got is. Has like dragon fruit, pineapple. Wow, it has like chunks of. This kitchen too small for both of us. Got your bib because you're drooling so much?
Drooler.
Oh, you got your kicks on?
Thanks, Kiefer.
Oh, I love pineapple in smoothies. Mmm. Delish. No. Sage is in her Nuna Bugaboo car seat, which we love. So snuggy in there, huh? You got your little toys? Yeah? Okay, we gotta go.
I didn't listen to myself.
Yo, Chloe, in the back with Sage. You got the best partner there.
I get the best view.
Woo. We are on the road. I got my smoothie, which hopefully I do not spill on me because I did not bring a backup outfit. Only Sage did, in case she has a blowout. And then in about 20 minutes, Matt and I are hopping on a meeting call, so we have that. And then we got Chloe just entertaining Sage in the back. She's got tons of toys, so she's good. A little 25-minute nap. I ended up doing like a freaking podcast interview. Matt's like, you want to jump on this call with me? I think they might ask us some YouTube questions. And then, I ended up doing a whole podcast, it was actually a lot of fun. I really love talking about what I do and YouTube stuff. And it was good practice because I have another podcast actually, not tomorrow, but Thursday. So you probably need a diaper change and some milky, right? Let me quickly talk to you guys about what's happening here. Chloe's here shooting some B-roll shots and photos. This is essentially a investment property. So we are renting this place from the owner and doing Airbnb arbitrage. So we're actually partnering up with another couple, Ariana and Aaron. I'll link them down below. And they're like experts in the whole Airbnb business, and this is a new place that we partnered on together. So they actually are the ones that did all the beautiful furnishing, and I'm seeing it for the first time. Matt saw it the other week. He did an empty house tour. You can check that out on his channel. And today we're doing an after, right? Doing a full tour of all the staging, all the furniture. Just, it looks really great. Is that plant fake or real? I think it's fake. I totally thought that was real. So I'm just showing behind the scenes, and because I'm leaving the house and that never happens, right? So we're really excited. This is our first time partnering with other investors for real estate investing projects. So yeah, we've been wanting to get into the Airbnb game. We almost did it with another investment property we have in Toronto. But then I found out I was pregnant, the pandemic hit, and we just didn't know if it was the best time with everything going on. And we're really excited to like finally get back into it and be partnering with people that like have done this, have a system, know what they're doing, so we can learn and work together on it. That's what's happening. But Matt is doing full videos on his channel all about it, because I know a lot of people have questions about like our real estate investing side of the business and side of our life, which I don't really talk about much on here, but I thought I would just do, I thought I'd just vlog today and share what's happening since I vlog our life. And today we're here checking out the Airbnb. So this place is in Kitchener, which to be honest, I've only really been to Waterloo, which I guess is near Kitchener. I don't really know. I gotta look at a map. This Airbnb is close to a huge mall, like lots of shopping and restaurants and stuff. So that's really awesome. Definitely gonna be desirable for long-term rentals, also short-term during the summer for families and stuff, but it's super spacious. I'm excited. We're gonna check it out, break it in. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, we'll put what they look like here. Matt, you excited? New project?
I'm excited to have a fun project. I think Sagey's gonna be excited. She's an Airbnb kind of girl, right? Go on some vacation.
I said we should just rent this place to have a little home away from home vacation.
It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
You know, and then we don't even have to clean when we leave. We just get the cleaners.
Pay a cleaning fee though.
Yeah. So I don't want to give you like too much away, but there's 3 bedrooms upstairs, 3 bedrooms downstairs. The kitchen downstairs I've seen in the before video on Matt's channel is like open.
That's nice, yeah.
Yeah, should we go downstairs? We'll go look at it.
We can.
So we're in house number 2.
This could be yours.
Woo! Oh, I love the couch. So
yeah.
nice.
That looks nice.
Yeah, the downstairs, it doesn't feel like a basement. It's really cute. Love the mustard yellow. Very health nutty. It's so bright for a basement. I guess we can leave the lights on because Chloe's going to be down here taking photos and B-roll shots.
Ooh.
Oh, it's such a nice day today. I'm going to have a little snack. A little perfect bar. I love this flavor. Chocolate chip peanut butter. Super yummy. And they're quite filling. I'm going to just make myself right at home here. Get a snack. Honestly, carriers are the best. I feel like she's just happier if she's on me. So anytime we're out of the house, which isn't often these days, but we definitely just bring this, even if it's just to my parents, because she will sleep on me in this if I just give her a little rock. Right, Sage? All right, we are gonna film the finished furnished tour over on Matt's channel.
Yeah.
Sagey's in her bouncer. Hopefully she's
in her director's chair.
Yeah, she's in her director's chair, and I'm just gonna show you guys behind the scenes. All right.
Hey guys, welcome to our first Airbnb.
Come in.
Hey guys, welcome to our first Airbnb. Special guest here.
So we got kicked out of the video because Sagey was freaking out. Hey, you got us kicked out. Yeah, you got us kicked out. So they're just filming in the downstairs unit and we're just hanging out up here. I think we're probably gonna wrap up in a little bit, grab some lunch on the way back, and hopefully she'll sleep because she had like maybe, she had a 25-minute nap on the way here, which wasn't very much, and then maybe another 25-minute nap on me in the carrier. So this girl is gonna be cranky. Right? We're just hanging out on the floor. All right. I want to just say thank you for watching. Sage and I ended up having a really nice bath together because she had a blowout. So, but it turned into a relaxing bath. I did a little bath with her, and then Matt took her and did bedtime routine. She was really tired.
She wouldn't even, I only read half the book and she started crying. I was like, oh, I guess I'm just gonna put you down.
Do you find you just start reading faster when she's starting to cry? You're like, and the bear said, blah, 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 blah.
I was kind of like, oh, if she starts crying, I'm like, that means she's
done,
ready to go. Done.
Yeah. I was exhausted. I think I didn't drink enough water today. I didn't bring enough snacks. We ended up just like picking up. Yeah, we skipped lunch and we ended up picking up dinner like on the way home and eating in the car. So it just wasn't like. I don't know. I think
one of those days.
Yeah, you're just trying to get stuff done. I think we're just not used to leaving the house, and I totally didn't bring enough like snacks to have. Yeah, I was like breastfeeding all day, so that like definitely uses a lot of energy. So it was just a reminder that next time, snacks are crucial. Snacks.
Bring them snacks.
So I'm just making some tea. I got my laptop. I'm going to watch a little YouTube. I feel like I never really get to watch YouTube. So Matt's watching Tom and Clancy's.
Jack Ryan.
I don't know what that is, but.
It's spy stuff. That's good.
But yeah, we're tired. And honestly, when I was having a bath with Sage, I was like, I could go to bed right now too. Like, let's just all go to bed together. But I then got a second wind and.
I had to take Cassie for a walk. And
Yeah, poor thing was like home by herself today, so my mom came and let her out for a pee. Anyways, just story time right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna just have a cozy night. Probably gonna go to bed still early today.
Yeah, it's after 9, so
it's my bedtime. Not really.
It's getting late.
I feel like I'm trying to go to bed earlier. 10:30 is usually when I've been going to bed lately, and that's early for me. Like pre-Sage, I feel like we went to bed so late, like midnight.
Like midnight, yeah.
So it's not a good habit when you have a 4.5-month-old, you know?
Yeah.
So, but
well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy my video when you go check out the full tour, because I think it's good. It's good stuff. So check it out. Thumbs up, skis.
Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out Matt's channel, the video that we filmed on his channel today. Links will be down below.
All right.
How annoying am I?
See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Okay. Bye.